So Michelle and I are here at the Jeju Dongmun Fish Market. If you want to see fresh fish on Jeju, this is the place to come. I mean, it doesn't get more alive. These fish are still moving. There's some sole or flatfish on the bottom here, beautiful and fresh. More shellfish. I mean, there are so many varieties of shellfish here. I could barely tell you what's what, but it is so amazing to see. Look at these squid. I mean, you know it's fresh when it's still moving just before you buy it. And then, of course, salted fish. This stuff we've seen all over the market, them actually salting the fish here in the market. So again, this is like a herring. Good morning. It's okay? Picture, yeah, the beautiful fish. Look, this lady's doing the fresh fish here. So she's just actually preparing already beautiful fresh fish. Same. The name? Korean?
Korea 자리돔.
자리돔. Look at these beautiful little blackfish. They are tiny. Look, here's my finger. 감사합니다.
What is America? I drink fish.
Fish.
All fish.
Yeah. All fish.
Goodbye.
Thank you. What a lovely lady. They're actually moving. What are they? Pulsing. Like worms. Look at this thing. 20,000 won. Almost like a ragworm or a lumpworm. I don't know. There's some more back there. Along with the octopus. Fresh octopus. Now I wonder why these squid are different. The dark skin. Oh, he tries to come out. Markets don't get they don't get much fresher. Where are you?
I'm here, hiding behind you.
Don't get much fresher, Michelle. Love this place. Loads more squid, different sizes. Larger size here. And comes the bite. Wow. So look at this. The size of the eyes on these fish. These like a mackerel of some sort, aren't they? This is, I think, what they're actually salting.
제주 은갈치.
제주 은갈치.
Okay.
제주 은갈치.
제주 fish.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Beautiful.
네.
Well, people are very friendly here. Very friendly. Even larger squid here. Look, they're getting quite a size. The size of that fish head there. You can give some scale to that. Lady's prepping the fish. 안녕하세요. She's prepping the little fish. 감사합니다. Love these places. Oh, here's that silverfish, all filleted up and cut. And this lady's selling the chilies, so I think this is for making kimchi. Gorgeous, aren't they?
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. That's a nice looking fish. She's working on it. I'm not going to film her. I think, although in Korea people are super polite, it's not overly polite, I think, to linger. So I won't do so. But look, here's some pork. It's a pork hocks, trotters, and also then the pork face. So this is actually missing the cheek. So they've taken the actual cheek off of here, the best part of the meat, just the head. If I was buying that, I'd want the cheek. That's where all the meat is, the bacon, that's where all the flavour is. It's also famous here on Jeju for tangerines. As you can see, there's the ladies doing the hotteok. Beautiful. 안녕하세요. I think they're all making hotteok along here. Another lady. This one at the end. Okay, I'm gonna get a hotteok here. Thank you. What is this? We filmed it before in Busan, and it's just delicious. It's like a sweet cinnamon, nutty. They've got little nuts or seeds inside quite often, and they're usually super hot. They always put it in these little paper cups. So if I ever see anyone walking around with one of these, yeah, it's like a magnet for me. Super hot. Another one. They're good, aren't they? Yeah. Very good. I love the hotteok.
Is it a vegetable one?
I don't know this one. I don't know. I haven't.
Is there any meat inside?
I don't know. I haven't tried this one before. Okay, I'm going to try the green one. I'm not sure. We're just talking with this lovely couple. Can I film? Can I say hello? So they're from Taiwan. They don't know what's in it either. So we're going to see. I think, is it maybe green tea?
Green tea.
Yeah, not matcha, but maybe tea.
I think it's not a green tea. It's a kind of Chinese medicine. It's called aitao.
Okay. Aitao.
It's
And what is aitao?
It's kind of medicine, Chinese medicine.
Okay.
Yeah. Have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So, aitao. I'm not sure if I pronounced that right, but the young girl she asked, they don't speak Korean, but she thinks this has got a sort of Chinese medicine in it, and it's got a herbal taste. I would say maybe some tea, but it's maybe just the fact it's got the herbal taste. A little bit towards ginger, like a root maybe. They are good, aren't they, Michelle? A little bit hot. You're always going to burn yourself with these things. So delicious, so good. This gentleman here selling all the spices, the chilies. Now, these are not necessarily hot chilies. These can be sweet and smoky flavors, not overly hot. And then fermented fish, the fish paste, the fermented pastes. I'm still not sure, Michelle. I see these leaves everywhere, and I'm really not sure what they are. They're very pretty looking. They almost look like vine leaves. 10,000 one piece. That's expensive, surely. Oh no, I think that's for one tray. I think that's a whole tray for 10,000. It can't be one fish. Generally, when they put stuff onto a plastic tray like this, it's per. Oh, that says 2 pieces. That can't be 10,000 for one fish, surely. No, I wouldn't have thought so. Oh, I almost missed it. This lady's got all the kimchi. Look at this. Wow. You can just come along, grab yourself a spoon or some tongs, fill up a big bag full of kimchi. Delicious. And it's all made here. Yesterday when we came through, there were a group of ladies sat down on the floor over there making kimchi. These are the ladies I love. 안녕하세요. These ladies I love. Every day they prepare the fish, and they do, one of the girls is gutting the fish. The other lady is filleting them out flat, ready for salting, and at the back there the lady is cleaning it. 감사합니다. Now I got a little bit of film of that, so I'll pop that in. I don't want to go in, and they're so sweet. But I don't want to keep going in and filming them because it feels a little bit rude. Now this one's not called the fish market. So the other entrance we came in was actually called Dongmun Fish Market. This one is just called Dongmun Market. Gate 7, as Michelle just said, is this little shopping street alley. And this is a little different. There's all sorts, clothing, fruits, vegetables, some fish still, I think, also. When you buy tomatoes or other products here, a basket is 5,000. So I'm wondering if a tray, but firstly, that seems super cheap for a whole tray of fish, but it may be right. But it seems super expensive for just one fish.
I think it might have been 10 a kilo. I think the other ones along there we worked it out. Some of them seem to be sort of 50, 60,000, and then they had kilo next to it. So I think that was 10 a kilo.
Okay, that's why I bring Michelle along. This is curry leaf. Curry, you fry, yeah. Yeah.
그게
Beautiful.
그렇게 든든하게 먹는
I'm not actually sure if that is curry leaf.
여기 왔어요?
Thank you.
사정하게.
감사합니다.
네.
Thank you. Very engaging. What a lovely lady. Without seeing her mouth, because she was wearing the mask, it's really hard to see how she's pronouncing things. So I'm saying things back roughly how I would hear it if somebody was in a room next door talking to you. So forgive me for not understanding a word she was saying. Yeah, so this little alleyway is, again, much more local. Little hair salon there. Oh, wool shop. Ladies selling wool, and actually ladies all knitting in there. There's a whole group of ladies in there. I want to take the camera and I can't really. It would be rude, but there's a whole load of ladies sat on sort of soft mattresses on the floor, and they're all knitting like a little knitting group. How cool is that? Now, I'm not sure what these. I thought when I first saw these they were almonds, but these are too big. You see, I saw them at this size and I thought they were almonds, but they're a firm, almost like a little apple.
I think I heard green gauge maybe.
Green gauge, but very firm.
No, this one's
they're
soft. See, like these.
like plums.
Yes, they're green gauges, I reckon.
So maybe they're getting the sour. Maybe these are for the sour plums.
Maybe.
So that's nice. A little tray of.
Nectarines.
Are they nectarines?
Or maybe a plum.
I think they might be a plum, but 5,000 for a tray. The lady here is preparing those leaves I was talking about earlier. I don't know what the name is, but she is preparing those leaves, and she's got a big bag of them there as well. Over this side, steaming. Well, I was going to say they're steaming corn, and then I looked here to the left, and they're steaming what looks to be like larvae or pupae of some sort. And then the beautiful looking sweet corn here, and some sort of like polenta or rice cake. I'm not sure what these little gourds are. I don't know if they're sweet. I'm guessing they're not, though.
Like a pumpkin.
Like a pumpkin of some sort, but I'm not sure if it's sweet or savoury. So there you have it. We've ended this video, trying to remember the name, in Jung'an-ro Shopping Street Alley Market. So we started in the fish market, ended here. From Michelle and I think we've set ourselves more points of interest. That's sort of got us thinking about other things to do here in Jeju. I'm really looking forward to exploring this island. Loved you all. Hope you enjoyed it. Let us know. Put your comments down below. What would you like to see next? Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Be good.
Bye.
Is anything in there? Oh, yeah. Basically, a couple of tablespoons of milk coffee. And let's just see if it's not sweet. Yeah, unsweetened, quite strong. Not too bad, actually, if you just wanted a little caffeine hit. Not too bad, Michelle.
It's okay.
Yeah.
That's okay.
Just like almost like a long espresso with a little bit of milk in.